Okay, and you can see when you move your cursor around, right? This is called a page editor, right? You can see, right? You can do the editing, right? So pay attention to all these small little icons from here and there as you move around the cursor, right? As a beginner, I strongly encourage you to be more adventurous, right? Do not be afraid of this thing called making mistakes because everything can be undo, right? Can be undone, right? There is a undo button, right? When you are actually working on this, and then you say, hey, you know what? I'm not going to, there's no need to for you to worry about it, right? You can just go ahead. Okay, but I would like to bring your attention to this setting, right? This gear. Can you see that almost every whichever color, right? These are called the blocks, right? These are called the blocks, right? The main block, okay, the green one, can you see? Everything comes with this. And this is where the real editing comes in. Oh, you can do a lot of adjustments here. It's the same for this one. Right, can you see here? Let me show you. Right. So can you see? All this is all editable. Right. Okay. Hmm. Right. So go and explore it and do your editing. And then also now do take note that usually for button for landing pages, right, we will set the setting to be a submit form, right? Submit form. Okay, so the other settings, right? I will coach you in other training modules, but not here. So as a beginner, I will just keep it simple for you to just collect email and name at the same time, right? And then after that, submit the form. As I mentioned earlier on, when you click on the submit form, the lead information will appear in your dashboard to reflect that there is a new lead for you. So let's say you want more of this, like for example, you want and now you want to collect name as well, right? So you can always have this like form input, right? Okay. Um, okay. You can drag this over, right? And you put it here. Okay. See where it's highlighted, it will land. Okay. Just like that. See? Right? This thing, right? So again, you can do the setting, like what input type you want. For example, you want by name, right? So by all means, go and click on it. So can you see? That means it's already preset that it will not be an email, right? It will be flagged as an error when the visitor key and other than the text format here. Oh, so this is what I meant by that. And of course, you can rename it at the placeholder right over here. Can you see here? Placeholder, you can rename it to just simply name, right? And there you are. Okay, right? Simple as that, right? Okay. So these will be bundled together when they click on the contact, right? It will go over and submitted and collected and be reflected in your dashboard. Okay. So let's exit this page. Will not save this, right? Because I'm going to show you the thank you page, which is the page number 2, right? From this page, right? As they submit the form, you go to page 2. Of course, do take note that, okay, do take note is, let me go back to open up the view the funnels tab. I forgot to highlight one thing for you. So as you can see from this one, right? The page. Okay. The important thing is you can set where it needs to be. Okay. Now, for example, this, right? You can determine after submission of the form, which is just click at the button, where do you want it to go? So to keep it simple in this example, right? We are just simply want it to go to the next step. that you have set up, right? This is why it can be selected here. Or do take note of that. So it can go to another special URL, right? Okay, just for example, that from page one, you want them to go to another place, right? Then you can put in a specific customized URL here, a link here, right? However, for this example, we want them to go to the second page, which is the thank you page, right? That is why we set it at the next step. So now let's exit this to give you a visual example. Okay. Now, can you see it's in fact, this is very simple to understand the flow. This is flow step one and flow step two. So, and you can move them up and down. Okay, move, right? Move, select destination, right? You can move them around. Okay, but for this instance, we are not going to do that, right? So have set it up over here, right? Okay, can you see the movement? It can be done that way too. Okay, so over here, let's click on this one. It's open up, right? Let's say we select this as a thank you page, right? Then thereafter, again, right? Remember to give it a meaningful name. Say this is a thank you page, right? Just like that. Okay. Remove your cursor and there will be a save indication. And then next, we go and edit the page. Okay. So to keep it simple, I will not go too much into the editing of the words. So all this is editable. You can just use a keyboard and type it out, whatever message that you are going to put in. Most of the time, it's a lot of common sense, message that you are going to put here. Nothing too complicated, right? And at the same time, if you really struggle with such kind of marketing messages, right?